Okay, so I'm here on my portfolio site on a project, storyline project. I have it called the Healthcare Patient Journey. What I did here is I extended storyline with custom JavaScript. There's 5 slides using Storyline 360, built from a studio's Adobe Illustrator design file and a custom JavaScript template. It includes pop-up layers, AI generated narration, GSAP powered 3D card flips, and an embedded JavaScript word game, all of which I'll demonstrate. So if we scroll down here, a little bit more about the course, but here I can click on the course to launch it, and I'll just restart here. We'll get to the first slide. So building engaging courses requires 3 things: understanding the content deeply, designing precise interactions, and extending storyline with custom code when needed. So here's how I approached each slide. With slide 1, it starts with a blurred image and a disabled button. If I click the image, the blur fades smoothly and the button is enabled. Now, if I go next and I leave the slide, and then if I go back, you'll see that the state resets automatically. So the image is blurred again and the button is disabled. I can't click on the button. So here I can click and now I can move forward. So basically what I was trying to demonstrate there was state persistence. And with slide 2, we have 10 numbered elements overlaying buttons. If we click any of these, whoops, if you click these, they'll get grayed out in the selected state, and also the background for the numbers will turn red. If I hover over the buttons, I get a subtle drop shadow, and this was done using JavaScript. Button 2 includes AI generated audio narration, which I'll demonstrate now. I can mute that and then unmute. And then you notice down here under each category, a name will get selected. So a little bit more synchronized interactivity with the slideshow. Just to demonstrate another button and another pop-up layer. And you can see under this category, this gets selected. And then there's a drop shadow on the card, and that's done using JavaScript as well. The mute and unmute button from the last slide is also using custom JavaScript. So learners can toggle the audio playback on demand. And just to give you an idea of some of these other slides, I didn't program every slide yet, but just a few just to show for demo purposes. Now these arrows also work, so we'll go on to the next slide. So for slide 3, this is a really neat card flip animation that's not native to Storyline. This is built with GSAP and 3D transforms. And the custom JavaScript creates a smooth, performant 3D interaction. So you notice here I can click on each slide and flip, or on each button and flip it over. And then I'll also flip it back. And in the code, I can slow down or speed up this card flip. And just to show you, I can go back here with this arrow, and then I can go forward. So we'll go to the next slide here. So for this, I'm just presenting like a side panel interface, bringing kind of more of a realistic device experience into the course, or like kind of web UI type of interaction. And then with slide 5, it's a JavaScript connection game, so learners can match terms across columns, and then the code validates the answers, provides feedback, and tracks completion. So it's basically just a matching game with JavaScript, and it's interactive. And basically, to close, from state management to 3D animation to custom game logic, what we have here really is full stack instructional design. Come to the page, check out the course, share it with others, and I hope you enjoy. And if you want to work together, feel free to contact me.